Hello everyone, welcome back to the HTML Mastery course by Code with Ilyasoft. Congratulations, we have completed another set of important HTML lessons. So far, we have learned HTML structure, forms, semantic HTML, audio and video element, embedding external content, HTML SEO basic, base characters. So now it is the time to apply all these concepts in a real world project. So today mini project is company landing page. Company landing pages are among the most common websites created by front-end developers. Almost every company needs a landing page that introduces their businesses and provide users with information and contact methods. So today we will build a professional landing page that contains hero section, services section, embedded video, Google Map, and contact form. So by the end of this project, you will understand how professional companies websites are structured. So open the VS Code and hit start coding. So first create the file company landing page .html and then add the doc type. Tell browser to use HTML5. Then HTML is a root container. Head store page information. The title change browse tab title. Then body contains the visible content. Add inside a body a header section. Header content company name, intro text, and navigation menu. Navigation help user move between section. So then add the section, hero section, then the heading, then the company banner and paragraph, and then the button get started. So hero section is the first sections user see, usually include main heading, banner image, short description, and call to action button. Create a service section. Service section explain what the company offer. So list or company use to display services. Then add the intro video. If you want, you can add the embedding external content also here. Means YouTube video, websites, maps, and so on. Then add the office location, means a Google Map. Google Map can embedded using iframe that help customer find company location. And then create the contact form. Contact form help user send questions, feedback, request. Required ensures important field cannot be empty. And last, add the footer. So let's run in a browser. So this is the heading, this is the tab heading, and then the heading, then the company description. Here is the navigation menu, and that is the banner. Then this is the services. Here is the intro video, and that is our location. And here the context form, and last this is the footer. So here is some challenges for student. Create your own company landing page and add company logo, more services, social media links, another video, and team member section. So if you like my videos, kindly subscribe, like, and share.